there's levels, and then there's levels, and there's levels, and there's even more levels. On this vlog, we're taking it to another level. I've done some crazy vlogs during my time, but this one, again, is on another level. And it's not about car customization for once. This is a big surprise our future husband is giving to his future wife. You wanna know what surprise it is? It's a Ferrari. So this is the Ferrari that the husband is going to gift his wife as a wedding gift. It's a Ferrari 488 GTB. Junaid, can you believe this? What did you get your wife when you got married? Don't lie.
I'll take her to dinner.
Now that's what a normal man would do. This gentleman has gone on another level and he's bought his future wife a Ferrari. And we've got Sam here who's decorating the Ferrari because we're going to do a surprise and she doesn't know nothing about it. And Sam, who's from All About Moments in Bradford, who does all the customization on the balloons, and she's going to help us think of something of the way that we can reveal this car to his future wife. Full car being PPF'd, and we're just finishing it off, giving it a nice little clean. And then Sam is just doing a fine touches. So we're just thinking, what can we possibly do to make a nice surprise, Sam? Come on.
I think we could put a nice box in front.
Okay, good idea.
When she comes in, we could just drop the box for the reveal. And then when she's opening the doors, the balloons are popping out.
It's all about the moment, isn't it?
Yeah, it's all about the moment.
It's all about the moment. So, this gentleman has bought his wife a Ferrari. Now, if you could afford one, would you buy your wife a Ferrari?
Renault Clio.
Good choice, mate. Have a good weekend, Derek.
Bye-bye.
Right. Anyway, like I said, it's not the norm for a lot of people, but I mean, how far would you go for love? What are the limits? Sky's the limit, or Ferrari is the limit. I promised that I'm going to give away £1,000 cash when I hit 50,000 subscribers on YouTube, and I have. Thank you to all of you that subscribed and continue supporting me and watch my vlogs. Hopefully next year, 2024, we can give you some great content and continue entertaining you. So in order to win the £1,000 cash, this is what you need to do. Subscribe on the Enkahnz YouTube channel. You need to follow me on my personal Instagram account, which is Enkahnz, and on the last post, you need to tag 2 friends and answer the question, what's the make and model of my Ferrari? And we'll pick one random winner on next week's vlog. Okay, Sam, what's the plan then? Where are you?
I'm over here.
Right, okay, no, them boxes are getting recycled. We need a flat pack box. Let me ring Dawood up and ask him. Can't use these boxes, they're used. We need a flat pack. Are you gonna put the cloth over it?
Yeah, so the top over it, where's the bugger this one? There. Is that right in front?
Junaid, do me a favour, call Dawood please, quickly. So we're gonna cover the car.
We're gonna cover the car.
Shall we cover the car or should we just put the cardboard box over it?
I think you should just put the cardboard box in front.
Okay.
Have this over the actual box. So this line at the front, and then somebody just gonna drop it. Dawood, we need a box.
Box for what?
To put at the front. Where are the flat pack boxes?
Are they going to be, how big does it need to be?
Just as big as you can get. Beggars can't be choosing there. Whatever we've got, just get it. 2 big, the flat pack boxes.
There's one already built up there.
I don't want a built one, I want a flat pack.
A flat pack?
2 flat ones.
Oh.
What are they? Okay, can I ask you a question while you're here? When you get married, are you going to get married?
Of course, one day.
By the way, he's looking for marriage. So any potential girls out there want to get married to Dawood? He's single. But anyway, what would you buy your wife as a gift?
I don't know, I'd have to think about it.
Come on, man. You must have thought about this because you're close to getting married now, aren't you?
No, I'm not really. I'm still young.
If you know what, you might got some white hairs on the side, I can see. Anyway, if you could afford it, would you buy the Ferrari?
If I had the money, but I highly doubt it.
What would you buy instead?
I'd have to think about it.
You probably invest in a house, you won't you? You probably buy the house and say, listen, all the rental income that you get from this house, you can have it. That's a good thought, that, by the way. But this is love to another level.
True.
See, there's different levels of love. Now this gentleman has taken it to another level. What?
So,
So Dawood's bought a box to put in front of the car. Hang on a minute, come here.
I asked you first, what size box do you want?
What did I say to you?
I said bring any boxes.
I didn't. I said a flat pack box. What did I say, Sam? So let's put this over here. There you go. So this is how according to Dawood, this is how we're going to reveal the car to his future wife.
What are you going to do with the flat pack
So
box?
just imagine the car's covered. We're supposed to cover the car, so when she comes, we can push the box flat down, and then you've got a Ferrari behind it. Obviously, that's covered. That's the plan. So are we all on board now? Yeah, Sam, you know what we're doing? Yeah. Leave that one. Let's just get a flat pack one.
You got one?
Yeah.
There's no flat pack box that size though. The size that you want, a big box.
You just said again that size.
Big box. There's no flat pack big box. They're all like,
Where are the flat pack boxes we've got? We've got loads of them.
it's like these, this size.
No, the big ones that we got.
The big body kit boxes.
Yes.
They're all sandwiched in that cardboard.
Well, unsandwich them.
Take them out. Where are they?
Look at that, Sam's on it, man. Come on, she's on a deadline. She's got a birthday party to go to. Oh my God, this is just going to be a failure. So we've got the father of the bride, Mr. Iqbal.
How are you? You okay?
I am shattered. So is Sam.
Sorry.
So she helped me out.
Yeah.
And we put this together. We're not finished yet.
Have you not finished? Okay.
As you can see, we've customized the box. The box. Shattered. And you know what? Last minute, I got Sam a call that said, come and help me. She's got all the balloons. We've got balloons in the car as well.
Oh, excellent.
Yeah, so when she opens the doors, the balloons are going to come out as well.
Oh, wicked.
So
Thank you very
we've got
much.
the custom Badagzai sheet cover, and then this box was.
How are we
Trust
going
me, it's going to look good.
Okay.
It's going to look really well.
Brilliant.
So Sam's complained anyway to her husband on camera, saying that you'd never bought me anything.
We can't tell our wives either.
Well, it's too late, mate.
Too late,
because,
they're already married to us now.
They already know now, yeah. Hey, mate, can I have a haircut today? I'm going to a wedding tomorrow, a special wedding, family wedding, and the groom has gifted something very special to the wife. Can you guess what it is? I'll give you three guesses. Come on. I'm getting you on loudspeaker, so don't say anything naughty, yeah? Come on, Emma. You're live on YouTube now. Come on. What do you think?
The groom has gifted his wife with 3 things. A car?
Good, yes.
Yeah.
Very good. I'll give you that. But what car?
Oh my well lord, okay. Okay, is he rich?
Well, he's alright. He's not bad. I wish I was a penny behind him, yeah.
Okay, alright, okay, let's say, for argument's sake, let's say a Merc.
Not bad, but you need to go a lot higher than that. A lot higher.
Wow.
Let me ask you a question. What did you gift your wife when you got married?
Me?
Good answer. I like that answer, man. Excellent. But what do you think? What do you think this groom was gifted his wife?
Oh,
What car?
wow.
You said a car, so come on.
Okay, let's say, oh wow, a lot higher. Let's say a Lamborghini?
Close. What's close to a Lamborghini?
A Ferrari.
A brand new Ferrari, mate.
Oh my.
So all I'm saying to you, don't ever think of getting married again, because the level and the benchmark has been set. Anyway, I'll see you later on for my haircut. All right, mate.
You either give me a call tonight, or I'll see you tomorrow at the original time. Yeah?
Well, listen, I need to make sure I'm fresh and looking dapper for this wedding, okay?
Inshallah.
All right, buddy. I'll see you then. All right, bye.
Okay, buddy.
Bye. Well, he got it right, didn't he? He said a car, didn't he?
Yeah, you did say.
He said a car, we give him it then. Anyway, it's all done. We're going to put the love hat on with the A. So, we're all ready. Now we're just waiting for the bride and groom. know, you set the levels. My nephews are in there depressed.
Yeah, are they?
They're thinking when they're getting married,
Yeah.
the levels that you set, they're never going to be able to approach that. But let's see.
Let's see.
Anyway, it's a beautiful gesture that you've done,
Yeah,
a beautiful
thank you.
gift,
Thank
and the gift that you bought
Yeah.
is amazing. Now we're going to do the reveal.
Yeah.
Alicia doesn't know about it.
She doesn't, no.
And so she'll just...
She said, why am I here? That's what she's saying.
Well, we're gonna spray the bumper on the car.
Right, yeah.
Right, are we ready? Are we doing this reveal?
We're
Are
ready.
you guys ready?
We're ready.
The bride to be, are you ready?
She's just dressing her husband up.
She's not bridezilla, this chef. Right, get ready for this.
You know how it is.
Aslan! Alicia, you're a lucky lady. For all these youngsters out there that are watching, he bought you a beautiful gift and you should be really proud of him, honestly. Right, Alicia. So Raheel has gifted you with a Ferrari. And it's not a lookalike, it's a real Ferrari.
Thank you.
He set the benchmark, hasn't he? Ferrari 488. Look at it. Come on, open the doors. Look at that. Perfect combination. Red with cream leather. Just to show you guys, it's a real Ferrari. Not a Toyota Corolla that I've customised. It's actually a genuine Ferrari. There you go, Alicia. Start it up. Iqbal's gone down to Division 1 now.
Yeah.
You're in the Champions League, my friend.
Champions League.
Well done, man. Congratulations
Thank
again.
you.
I'll see you in the dance floor tomorrow, buddy.
Thank you, I will do.
Yeah.
Thank you.
Right, anyway, there you go. Ferrari as a wedding gift. Benchmark being set. So, anyway, I'm gonna get ready for the wedding now, so I better go get changed. What a transformation, guys. I'm in the wedding suit. I'm at the wedding, Raheel and Alicia's wedding, and as you can see the Ferrari is right behind me. And what a wedding gift. I mean, it's probably the best wedding gift I've ever seen, and I'm sure it's probably the best wedding gift you've seen as well. The venue is amazing. It's a party going on, and don't forget, guys, to win that £1,000, make sure you subscribe to the YouTube channel and you follow me on Enkahnz Instagram and tag 2 friends on my last post, and also what's to make a model of my Ferrari. Stay tuned, guys, while I go have fun at this wedding, and see you on the next vlog.